Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to turn your phone into PC with Samsung DeX. So to avail this Samsung DeX option, you must have a Samsung S series phone or a Note series phone or maybe a tab of the new version. So let me show you the steps you can follow. So use a USB cable to connect your Galaxy device to a monitor or TV or PC. Some devices require a USB-C dock with HDMI. And swipe down to get a wireless connection of your device screen. To open a quick settings panel and tap the DeX icon. Select DeX on TV or monitor and choose your desired display from the list. Tap Start Now. And if you're using cabled connection, your device may prompt you to enable DeX. Tap Enable and Accept. If you're using wireless, select your TV or monitor and tap Start Now. Swipe down from the top of your screen and select the Use Phone as Touchpad. Notification: connect to a keyboard and mouse to your dock or directly to the monitor or TV to navigate DeX. And DeX provides a desktop-like interface, allowing you to access your apps, data, and even run multiple apps simultaneously. So yeah, this is how you can easily turn your phone into PC with Samsung DeX. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.